Good morning, Wolfpack. This is meteorologist Cothran Harris from the NCSU Weather Center. It is currently day 7 of our streak without sunlight. Some people have told me that they saw some sunlight a few days ago. Quite frankly, I don't believe them, but we'll split the difference and say 7-ish. And that streak is going to continue. Looking at the current radar, we have a big batch of heavy rain just off the Atlantic coast right here, and that is going to be continuing to push westward. This is all associated with our big heavy rain event that I'm sure that some of you guys have heard about throughout the news over the last couple of days. Looking at the water vapor satellite imagery, we see a big curve throughout the southeast. A lot of moisture is being drawn from the Gulf of Mexico and from Hurricane Joaquin over here and being shot straight northward. And all of that moisture is pretty much just going to be wrung out like a twisted towel right all over us. It's going to be very, very rainy over the next couple of days. So looking at the surface map right now, as you can see, we have a cold front. That cold front was very sneaky. It came through late last night while everyone was talking about Hurricane Joaquin and this big rain event. The cold front came through, and it has caused temperatures to completely dip into the low 60s. It's perfect Netflix weather, as people on social media like to say. Quite frankly, that's not my favorite pastime, but if you do like Netflix, this is the kind of weather for you. Looking at Thursday for today, it's going to be 63 degrees with showers developing throughout the afternoon, some spotty showers, not going to be widespread rain. However, I do expect some rain by this afternoon with a pretty brisk wind. Looking at the surface map for tonight, these showers are going to be increased in intensity and in coverage. Showers all throughout the southeast in association with that front right off the coast and in association with all this moisture streaming in. I also want you to pay attention to the intensity of the rain in eastern North Carolina. Very, very dark blob of green in eastern North Carolina. That shows heavy rain, and that's going to be pushing westward as well. So for tonight, I'm expecting a low of 60 degrees with periods of heavy rain, that especially around 4 to 5 a.m. So if you are awake at that ungodly hour for some reason, whether it be studying, look out your window. It's probably going to be raining pretty doggone hard. And as for Friday, I'm expecting heavy rain and chilly conditions, only a high of 58 with winds from 15 to 25 miles per hour, so not a good hair day at all. I know that my hair gets ruined when it's that windy, so your hair may be much worse, especially if you're a girl. So for rainfall, I'm expecting a lot of rain over the next couple of days, 4 to 8 inches. And there's a potential for more rain, 9 to 10 inches if a heavy rain band sits over us, which is not out of the question. So flooding is also going to be possible. So areas that are susceptible to flooding, low drainage areas like low-lying areas like Crabtree Valley Mall. I know that place floods a lot. We might be seeing some flood conditions in those kinds of places over the next couple of days. Football forecast. Unfortunately, it is too late to turn Carter Finley into a swimming pool, so instead we are just going to play a football game there Saturday. I do not think it's going to be canceled because I do think that the rain is going to level off in intensity. I believe that Saturday it's going to be rainy, but not as rainy. A lot of light rain. So I think the football game still goes on. It's going to be chilly and rainy though. So if you do go, be prepared to bring a wetsuit, as is not going to be that nice at all. Finally, let's go to the tropics. Looking at Hurricane Joaquin, as I talked about, a very, very healthy hurricane on satellite is currently over the Bahamas, causing a lot of damage and distress in the Bahamas. So do be thinking about them. As for us, Joaquin was forecasted to make landfall on the East Coast yesterday. However, the trend today is away towards the east, off to sea. It's looking increasingly more and more likely that that's what's going to happen. We do still need to be paying attention to the storm. However, I believe that this is more and more of an out-to-sea threat the next couple of days, and more of a threat to Bermuda. So, finally looking at the weekly forecast. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all still going to be rainy. 100% chance of rain on Friday and Saturday, and Sunday still up there with 60% chance. And Monday, based on persistence in the past 2 weeks, I'm putting some rain in there. However, there's a chance we could see our first sustained period of sunlight in quite a while on Monday, and I am glad to report that From the NCSU Weather Center, this is meteorologist Cothran Harris. Have a good day.